Welcome back, everybody. Sive Morten here with the Forex Peace Army.com. Let's make a brief update on the gold. So, the gold market situation is not as exciting as on the euro currency that we discussed today. And you could see by the in general performance of the gold in recent sessions that's not many things that we could discuss for now. So, with these two very small trading ranges that we have today and yesterday, it brings almost no clarity to ongoing changes that might happen, and actually we just could make some suggestions. So the first thing that we could say that it seems that our relation on a 49.50 was correct. It's just because the weekly oversold provides some support to the market, and market starting some pullback. But pullback is very lazy due to the high uncertainty, global cash flows redistributions. Market currently are particularly interested with the money market tools such as bills, cash deposits, some other cash instruments. So it's definitely some redistribution of the total wealth stands on the way. So you can see that some rally on the cryptocurrencies, just because the banking sector in the Middle East works not very accurately, with some breaks, and people prefer to keep their money with the telephone. So with their wallets, crypto wallets. So that might also explain the demand for cryptos right now. That's why currently I suppose that we just need to wait and see for the clarity of the market will manifest itself. Because on the 4-time frame chart, you could see that our target that we specified has been perfectly completed. We said market will grab some stops that have been placed here, and it definitely has happened. So I can see this COP target is done. At the same time, what we could say on a CD leg, you could see a slowdown. Compared to the AB, this is the good sign for the bounce. Second, COP stands in a wide confluence support area with a 49.50, approximately 50.30. And creates an agreement with this. And that put the foundation together with the weekly oversold condition that here we could get healthy bounce. Maybe not, it will be the straightforward upward continuation, taking of this top and keep going higher, but at least some pullback here may happen. So if you have taken position around the COP, that's great. You just could move stops to break in, see what will happen. For others who are just considering this and do not have any longs, in your scenario, it's probably better to wait for some more signs. Because if you take a look at the hourly chart, here I do not see yet any clear patterns. So yes, we have some whipsaw action, some attempt to go higher, some acceleration here, but no clear pattern yet. The one thing that we could probably imagine here is some kind of the cup and a handle, but I wouldn't say that it's very evident. So maybe later we will get some more evident patterns that we could use, and you could try to use them later when they will be when they appear. So in the current moment, if you will decide to take position just with the trend, you will have to place your stop anyway below this area. This is not actually forbidden. Maybe it will be the good decision in the current circumstances, but it just tells you that you're dealing just with the trend and invalidation point without any clear patterns. The one thing that you also could keep an eye on, maybe it could make the entry process a bit later, a bit easier, is that some kind of the grabbers. So you can see here was the bullish grabber for position taken. Here's almost the same one. This might be the upward continuation. So previously when the market flirting with the MACD every time, it might be grabber could be formed, and that is particular that you could use for short-term position taking. Because for now, I can't say more with the clear patterns that might be formed here. So probably we will wait a bit, 1-2 sessions before we will get them.